5 different techniques of managing stress if you have rheumatoid arthritis. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we discuss everything related to autoimmune diseases, especially rheumatoid arthritis. Hi, my name is Pramila Gupta and I'm a holistic wellness coach. And here I'm going to be talking to you about why it's important to manage stress and how do we do that. So, stress has become an integral part of our day to day life. It can come from different ways like relationships, career, money, health, deadlines. Everything causes stress in our body. So, what happens when we get stress? The more stress we get, the more inflammation we have in our joints, and this increases the pain in our joint. Our immune system, it gets compromised whenever we have stress because it releases a compound which causes us inflammation in the immune system. So it's become extremely important to handle and manage your stress if you have an autoimmune disease. So let me give you 5 simple techniques to handle stress. The number one technique that we all know is meditation. Meditation, it calms us and it causes us to release our anxiety and stress. Even 5 minutes of a nice meditation in the morning, just sit calmly. Even if you don't know how to meditate, there are so many apps available on our mobile, which you can use to, or YouTube, anywhere, where you can listen to a nice meditation and calm yourself down. And if you don't have time even for that, all you can do is close your eyes and concentrate on your breathing. If you do that also, you feel the stress level coming down. The second one on my list is massage. Massage is extremely important as it calms down our nerves and it also releases the stress. Take any good oil and add an essential oil like a lavender oil, which has the property of releasing anxiety. So try this out and see if you feel better. The third one on my list is pranayam. When we add pranayam to our yoga or any other exercise schedule, we see that our stress levels are slowly decreasing because when we know how to handle our breathing and we control our breathing with pranayams, with various kind of pranayams, which are extremely helpful in calming our mind and in releasing stress. The fourth one on my list is time management. When we manage our time well, when we plan ourselves a day ahead or in the morning, how the day is supposed to go, we feel less stress throughout the day because we know exactly how much time we are supposed to give to what work we have allotted the time in, and that reduces our stress level in our body, which in turn reduces the inflammation too. The fifth easy technique is a gratitude journal. After the entire day, once you're just about to sleep, sit down and write down 5 things that you are grateful for throughout the day. This technique is going to make you think and find out some good things that have happened during the day. Even if it's a small thing that you woke up in the morning with a smile or less pain in your body. This is going to help you focus on all the good things in life instead of focusing on the bad things in life which cause us stress. Just before going to bed, when you write down and find 5 things that have helped you or that you are grateful for, you're going to sleep well, which in turn again would release your stress and release your anxiety. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you feel it has been helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and keep so that I can keep posting more videos and it can be helpful to you in any way possible. Thank you.